Crypto, short for cryptocurrency, is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank or government. The most well-known crypto is Bitcoin, but there are now thousands of different cryptocurrencies in circulation, each with its own unique features and characteristics. Cryptocurrency is important for a variety of reasons. Firstly, it allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks. This means that transactions can be made directly between individuals, without the need for third-party approval or oversight. This can increase the speed and efficiency of transactions, as well as reducing the cost and complexity of financial transactions. Another important aspect of crypto is its use of blockchain technology, which is a digital ledger that records all transactions in a transparent and immutable way. This makes it difficult for anyone to alter or tamper with the information and ensures greater security and privacy compared to traditional financial systems. Additionally, crypto also has a finite supply, meaning that only a certain amount of coins can be created. This scarcity can give it value as a store of wealth, similar to gold or other precious metals. Cryptocurrency also has the potential to provide financial services to people who are currently unbanked or underbanked, such as those in developing countries. It could also provide an alternative to traditional currencies that may be subject to inflation or other economic issues. In conclusion, crypto is important because it offers a decentralized, secure and efficient way of conducting transactions and storing value. It also has the potential to provide financial services to people who are currently unbanked or underbanked, and provide an alternative to traditional currencies that may be subject to inflation or other economic issues. Technology behind crypto, including blockchain and cryptography. The technology behind crypto, including blockchain and cryptography, is what makes it a secure and decentralized form of currency. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records all transactions in a transparent and immutable way. It is a decentralized system, meaning that it is not controlled by any single entity and is instead maintained by a network of computers. This decentralization ensures that no single point of failure exists in the system, making it more secure than traditional centralized systems. Each block in the blockchain contains a list of recent transactions, and once a block is added to the blockchain, the information it contains cannot be altered or deleted. This creates a permanent and transparent record of all transactions, which is useful for maintaining the integrity and security of the system. Cryptography is the practice of secure communication, and it is used to encrypt and decrypt messages in order to keep them private and secure. In the context of crypto, cryptography is used to secure the transactions and to control the creation of new units of the currency. For example, Bitcoin uses a hashing algorithm called SHA-256 to secure its transactions. One of the key components of crypto is the use of digital signature to verify the identity of the sender. This technique is called public key cryptography. This ensures that only the person with the correct private key can authorize a transaction, preventing fraud and unauthorized access. In summary, blockchain technology and cryptography are the key technologies behind crypto. They allow for secure, transparent, and decentralized transactions, and also provide a way to control the creation of new units of currency. These technologies work together to create a secure and reliable system for conducting transactions and storing value. Different types of crypto, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. There are thousands of different types of crypto, but some of the most well-known include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009 by an individual or group of individuals using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin uses a decentralized ledger, called the blockchain, to record transactions and is based on a proof-of-work consensus mechanism. It is widely considered to be a store of value and digital gold. Ethereum is another well-known cryptocurrency that was created in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum is different from Bitcoin in that it is a platform for the creation of decentralized applications, or dApps. It uses its own programming language, called Solidity, and allows developers to create smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written into code. Altcoins, short for alternative coins, are any other cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin. These can include Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and many others. Altcoins generally have similar characteristics to Bitcoin, such as being decentralized and based on blockchain technology, but they may have different consensus mechanisms, use cases, and other features that differentiate them from Bitcoin. In conclusion, Bitcoin, Ethereum and altcoins are the three main types of crypto. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Ethereum is a platform for the creation of decentralized applications, and altcoins are any other cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin. Each of these types of crypto has its own unique features and characteristics, and they all have the potential to be used in different ways and serve different purposes. How crypto transactions are processed and verified. Crypto transactions are processed and verified through a decentralized network of computers, known as nodes, that work together to maintain the integrity of the blockchain. When a user initiates a transaction, the transaction is broadcasted to the network, where it is picked up by the nodes. The nodes then validate the transaction by checking that the sender has the necessary funds and that the digital signature is valid. Once the transaction is validated, it is grouped with other transactions into a block. The next step is to add the block to the blockchain. This is where the consensus mechanism comes into play. A consensus mechanism is a protocol that ensures that all the nodes on the network agree on the state of the blockchain. The most common consensus mechanism is called proof of work (POW). It's the mechanism used by Bitcoin. This mechanism requires nodes, called miners, to solve complex mathematical problems in order to add a new block to the blockchain. The first miner that solves the problem is rewarded with a certain number of coins. Another consensus mechanism is called proof of stake (POS). It's the mechanism used by Ethereum. Instead of solving mathematical problems, nodes in a POS system are chosen to create a new block proportional to their stake, or the amount of coins they hold, in the network. Once a block is added to the blockchain, the transactions it contains are considered to be confirmed. The block is then broadcasted to the rest of the network, where other nodes will verify the block and add it to their copy of the blockchain. Once a certain number of blocks have been added to the blockchain after a transaction, it is considered to be fully confirmed and the funds are considered to have been transferred. In summary, crypto transactions are processed and verified through a decentralized network of nodes that work together to maintain the integrity of the blockchain. Transactions are validated and grouped into blocks, which are then added to the blockchain through a consensus mechanism such as proof of work or proof of stake. Once a certain number of blocks have been added to the blockchain after a transaction, it is considered to be fully confirmed and the funds are considered to have been transferred.